guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some fall home updates. Okay, if you watched my previous home update video, then you know that the fireplace wall is done. And what I needed was a beautiful area rock to complete the space. And I got this one from Boutique Rocks and I will link it down below for you guys. But it's so beautiful and it ties in with all the patterns and the colors that I'm using throughout the house. If you've been following along with me on Instagram, then you know that I team up with Cassette Productions here in South Florida to do some accent walls throughout my house. And this one is the fireplace makeover, which I am obsessed with it. It turned out so beautiful, you guys. It was exactly what I wanted. So I went for this concrete wall and it was beautiful. So in the dining room, I updated the wall art for this beautiful mirror that I found at Teddy Furniture. I was in love immediately. It's pretty heavy, but it's a beautiful piece of art. Quick update on the sofa, you guys. I decided to keep it and order a replacement. So they let me keep the old sofa until I get the new one, which it was good. So this space is not empty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take those pillows that come with the sofa to kind of elevate the sofa a little bit. And I'm gonna add these throw pillows that I got at Target, which I love. This year I didn't want to go crazy with the fall decor and also with the pumpkins like I do previous years, so I just decided to keep things very fresh here in the formal living space, but adding a touch of the season. So you will see how I did that in a second. Not to go pumpkin crazy, but I decided to pick this beautiful beaded pumpkin pillows at tjmax.com because they were so pretty. So for the dining room area, I'm not sure how I'm gonna decorate the sideboard or the table yet, but I decided to just add this ginger jar with some pampas and some, pumpkin stems that I got in my house, and why not? And I think it looks pretty, but I don't think it's gonna stay like this. I'm seriously loving how the formal living room slash dining room is turning out so far. I know I need a couple of more touches, but I'm taking my time. Finally got my new front door replaced. Remember that the first one came damaged. So well, we got a brand new door and I decided to go ahead and give my front door a little touch of the fall season as well. And these really pretty tupperwares from HomeGoods, which I need to get planters for it, but I'm just gonna use them like this for now. Also, the rock that you see at the bottom is from HomeGoods, and the top one that says Bless is from Ross. This beautiful wreath is from JCPenney, which I'm collaborating with them over on Instagram, and the little pumpkin there, it's from Ross as well. I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling. So added some fall decor and some fall touches to the guest room. Nothing crazy, but I wanted to share those with you because I think it came out so pretty and it looks so cozy in here now. Together, if I could stop the time. And this pretty wood trades at HomeGoods, and then I also got this marble ceramic base, and I just, think that adds a little bit of warmth to this space. Forever, forever. The other side of the nightstand, I went ahead and added the same tray, and then I added this pumpkin here, which is from Big Lots. It's a velvet pumpkin, super cute, and also this candle from Big Lots. Do you know how much I love Goods? I found these pillows that go so well with what I wanted to do in this room. I also found the quilt for it. It's a velvet material, very nice and neutral. But feeling, just loving. adding these decorative pillows that I got the covers from H&M, and I will link them down below. I think they're still available.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
So here's that velvet quilt that matches the Euroshams that I was talking about earlier during the video. So pretty and stuff, but I'm just gonna put it towards the end of the bed to give it a pop of color to my white bedding. Add more tester to the bed. I decided to use this throw pillow that I got from JCPenney.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to decorate your home for fall. Don't forget to give me a like, and if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.
Just loving